So welcome to the YouTube channel The Newbie Gamer. So today we are gonna see how to download the Free Fire hack, the new updated. So as you can see, whenever I'm shooting, it's headshot because it's auto headshot. So if you see, it's auto headshot completely. Whenever I shoot, it will be headshot. I like this hack very much. It is much better than other hacks. There's headshot the teleport hack, and also that you can see lines coming from other players, you can locate them easily. And there's also medkit hack and ghost hack. So all you have to do is download it from the link I have given in the description. So first of all, check that out. Then when you click in that link, it will be like this, as you can see in the screen. First you have to go to continue button, you will see it down. As you can see, there is a open download continue button, then scroll down. Then you have to click on that I am not a robot option, there is C. Then you have to select and verify that you are not a robot. After the verification, you will see a continue button. You have to search for a continue button. See the last continue button. Then it is said that click on the below banner ad. Then you have to click on it. Then you have to load back and go down. Then you will see get link option. Then you have to click it. Then you will be sent to the, you have to click allow, otherwise it won't come. Then you would get this fake IEMI and you have to download it. As you can see, it is being downloaded. Then you have to go to Android. You have to do just as I say, otherwise it won't happen like this. So please watch the video till the end. Then you can choose the file and you have to rename it. You can rename something like, no, Free Fire 165, something like that. 165, okay, that would be good. Then delete the Free Fire, the real game, you have to delete it. Then you have to install, then you have to again install what we installed from the Chrome. Go to downloads and look at that, mod by Dr. Mr. Dark RX, you have to install it. And it's pretty good, you can play with other players and you can play it with your friends also. So it is the original server, and I won't recommend you to play in your original Free Fire account. I will take guest account, but the thing is, it is 99.9% anti-ban. But if you get banned, don't blame me. So I recommend you to take a guest account and you can enjoy the game. So watch the video full, because I will give you username and password. If you type that only, you can activate the game. As you can see, the Free Fire has been downloaded. Again, the hack Free Fire. Then you have to go to the folder and you have to see unbanned. So if you download the game only, it won't be unbanned, so you have to download that also. Then take the Free Fire. So you have to click OK. Then you have to enable it. As you can see, enabled. I enabled it. Then OK. Then username and password. I will show you what's the username and password in. Wait a second. This is the username and password. The username is it's Mr. Dark RX and the password is free mode. Then you have to click login. As you can see, there is an update. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. If you want a diamond hack also, it is there. So I will put it as another video. And there will be a DJ Alok giveaway. For participating in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and comment hashtag DJ Alok. As you can see in the guest account, I have 0 gems and you can see a option. There you can click what all you want. There is headshot, aimbot, etc, etc. I will show you how to play. Just click on start and the game will start. So you have to do whatever you want. As you can see, the tele kill, it is actually teleport. It is written in French or something. As you can see, there are lines coming from other players. You can easily locate where the other players are. And there is speed hack also, so you can run really fast. So with this you can surprise your friends for surely. So guys, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for more such videos. If you have any doubt, you can comment down. I will reply it for sure. So guys, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe. So see you in the next video.